fire with me baby, you know this straight up. Violate to get your head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. I wanted them. I think I chatted.
We're back. Yes, guys, we are here with our first cooking video for the new year. And this is a fancy breakfast on a budget. You see our egg already fried, our franks already boiled, our cheese, and we have our wheat bread.
Alright guys, so right now, set the cheese aside. Remove the edges from the bread.
Yes, guys. And let us know down in that comment section down below what videos you want to see coming from us this new year. Yes, guys, I am feeling under the weather just a little bit, but the show must go on. So how has everything been with you guys? Let us know in that comment section down below as well.
Alright, set this aside.
Yes, guys. And no need to throw away those edges that you just trim off. You can use those and make breadcrumb or bread pudding. Thank me later.
Alright guys, so right now we're going to roll out the bread.
Yes. We have our rolling pin. Yes, guys. We want to get this as flat as possible, right? Look at that coming together nicely, right? Lovely.
Right, so we're going to move on to the other one.
Yes, guys.
I'm going to catch a drift, so I'll catch you on the back when we have some more action. So forward.
Yes, guys, and we are back to do the assembly, right?
So we're going to get the egg ready.
Getting it from there. Yes, guys.
I'm going to cut it in half.
That's it.
Alright, so now this is how thin the bread is, guys.
Yes, guys, look at that. Nice and thin. Maybe half an inch thin.
So that's how you put the bread at an angle.
Yes, guys.
Then you come with the egg. So it have a triangular shape.
Yes.
And then you come up with this side of the bread. And you cut the sausage.
Yes, guys, in half.
Not necessarily half, but this the size to fit
the bread.
Then you're gonna come over this bread, the next piece, then we're gonna pick it.
Yes, guys, look at that. Lovely, right? Beautiful. Nice and easy and fancy.
So we're gonna move on to the other one. So
yes, guys, so if you didn't catch it the first time, look closely. Giving that a next cut again. Right? Make that an angle. Triangle up. Making it a half triangle now. The sausage in the middle there. One cross. The next cross, and then we pick it. It kind of have a pigs in a blanket theme, however that's not pigs in a blanket, right? Yes, guys, so now we're gonna add cheese to this one, right? You don't know the regular, put the egg in there at an angle, the cheese, triangle again, cut piece of that sausage just to fit. And we're going to cross it, cross again, and then we pick it. Yes, guys, off to the grill pan. Let's go. Yes, guys, we have our grill pan here roaring hot. Hear that sizzle? And we're gonna place these bread and allow them to get that nice char mark. Look at that. Remember, everything is already cooked, right? The egg is already fried. The franks is already boiled, right? So we're just going to allow these to get some char mark, and the the grill is roaring hot, so we're just going to do 2 to 3 minutes on each side. So don't go nowhere, we're soon forward. Yes, guys, and it's that time again. Time to give it a turn, and look at that. Yes, guys, that's what we're talking about. That nice char mark right there. Yes, guys, you can make these fun and easy, fancy breakfast, or maybe you want it for brunch with some little more spruce up and some more stuff. You can make it with the children, you know, just to have them being interactive in the kitchen and stuff. But you know, when you reach the stove part where the grill is, you will take over and you can monitor them with the knives, right? So next time you guys will be seeing us, it's removal time. So forward. Yes, guys, so it's that time to remove these. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers to spam up the comment section. Let's go. Yes, guys, so this is it. Remember to follow us on our Instagrams. We always ensure that we post pictures over there. Remember to follow our business page. That's Globalist Interactions JA no space. We'll have it on the screen. Yes, guys, follow us over there. We have all the festive stuff, and we do cookies, guys. We're doing a cookie sale right now where we have oatmeal. We have oatmeal and raisin and all that good stuff, right? So until next time.
Bye, foodies. Bang, bang, boom.
We're out.